take a look at number 5 on the back of the practice 1-7 worksheet. And we're going to do some division with fractions and mixed numbers on this one. So the rule for dividing with positives and negatives is if they have the same sign, it comes out positive. In class, we did the sleeping reindeer rule for this. So we had our 2 negatives and our positive. There's our little reindeer. And if we cover up the signs that we have already, which would be those 2 eyeballs for the negatives, that leaves us a positive for our answer. So I'm going to put my sign in so I remember that, and now I don't even have to think about signs, and I can just do my fraction division. So when you have to multiply or divide with fractions and mixed numbers, you're going to make your mixed numbers into improper fractions. So we're going to deal with 3/5. So remember, we already took care of the negative part of this. And we want to divide that by 1 1/3 as an improper fraction. So you're going to do 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 1, which is 4. So I have a numerator of 4, and my denominator is still 3. Now back in probably 6th grade, you learned how to divide with fractions, and you may have learned something called keep, change, flip. Because dividing with a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So we're going to keep this 3/5. We're going to change the division to multiplication, and we're going to take the reciprocal or flip over that second fraction. So it's going to become 3/4. And now we just have a fraction multiplication. So we're going to go straight across for our numerators and straight across for the denominators. And you're going to get 9/20 in this case. That cannot be simplified, and we already decided our answer was going to be positive, which we wrote up here. So our final answer for number 5 is going to be 9/20.